Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will talk about some current affairs. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification. So let's start. Union Cabinet has approved a proposal to raise the legal marriage age of women from 18 to how many years? Union Cabinet has approved a proposal to raise the legal marriage age of women from 18 to 21 years. Which state is to get its first teachers' university? Delhi will get its first ever teachers' university. Which country has been the most affected by spam calls in the year 2021? Brazil has been the most affected by spam calls in the year 2021. Senior diplomat Pradeep Kumar Rawat has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to which country? Senior diplomat Pradeep Kumar Rawat has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to China. Which language day is observed on 18th December? The World Arabic Language Day is observed on 18th December to honor Arabic language. Which state has devised a 25 years action plan and set the goal of zero dropouts? Tripura government has devised an action plan for the next 25 years that focuses on education opportunities, better employment and infrastructure development. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of the Ganga Expressway in which district? Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of the longest highway in India, the Ganga Expressway, in Shahjahanpur, Uttar Pradesh, to offer first phase connectivity in India. Which organization has launched a cyber security skills training program in India to train over 1 lakh people? Microsoft has launched a cyber security skilling program with the goal of training over 1 lakh learners by 2022 to address the skills gap and prepare India's workforce for a career in cyber security. WhatsApp has announced a digital payment festival for how many villages in India? WhatsApp has announced a digital payment festival for 500 villages in India. Name the NASA spacecraft which has become the first spacecraft to pass through the Sun's outer atmosphere. NASA's Parker Solar Probe has entered the Sun's upper atmosphere for the first time in history. Who has become the fourth Indian mathematician to win Ramanujan Prize 2021? Neena Gupta has become the fourth Indian mathematician to win Ramanujan Prize 2021. International Tea Day 2021 is celebrated on which date? International Tea Day 2021 is celebrated on 15th December. Which city has become the first in the world to go 100% paperless? Dubai has become the first in the world to go 100% paperless. Which Indian state has launched the milk price incentive scheme? Uttarakhand Chief Minister Sri Pushkar Singh Dhami has launched the milk price incentive scheme in Dehradun. Who is the author of the book titled At Home in the Universe? Balakrishna Madhur is the author of the book titled At Home in the Universe. What is the theme of Human Rights Day 2021? Equality, reducing inequalities, advancing human rights is the theme of Human Rights Day 2021. Which country won the Davis Cup title in 2021? Russia won the Davis Cup title in 2021. Which industrialist has been given the highest civilian state award of the state of Assam? On the occasion of Assam Day, the state government of Assam has decided to honor renowned industrialist Ratan Tata with the highest civilian state award, the Assam Vairav Award, for his contribution to cancer care in the state. Which is the world's most expensive city? Tel Aviv has become the world's most expensive city to live in, surpassing Paris and Singapore. The police department of which state has launched the mobile app named Call Your Cop? The police department of Nagaland has launched the mobile app named Call Your Cop.